Hello everyone. My name is Ritesh Khole, and our today's topic for discussion is Kacha Pakka. But what Kacha and what Pakka? So, you might remember that you ask your friend to do, भाई कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ बोल के दिखा 5 बार. And that would be a fun tongue twister for us. Like, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़. Well, I also missed that. Never mind. But here there is nothing like a papad is kacha or a papad is pakka. Here, actually kacha, not here exactly. This is just for the purpose of a tongue twister. But a kacha word means that a weak or not at all a long lasting. And a pakka means obviously every anything strong, which is long lasting purpose. But today we are talking about if we consider a particular topic, like we are considering about homes. So there are different type of homes made around us. So usually a pakka is referred to the home by made of and concrete and let's say iron rods, etc. And a kacha is referred to the homes made by the temporary materials which you can usually see in any slum area, like they made a home of let's say wooden pillars and patras over their houses as a roof. Those are kind of, we can say, a kacha home. Then here we have an interesting experiment. So we require some newspapers, a cardboard or old shoe boxes whichever you have at your home, then markers, crayons and paints, then scissors and glue or fevistick. Then the procedure. So using a newspaper, crayons and paint, make a nice model of a home, regular home. Then now make another home by using cardboard or old shoe box and use glue to stick various parts of the house. Place the two houses on the table and now put them in front of a fan or just blow air from your mouth. The house that that is being made up of cardboard will be able to withstand air better. Now, the reason for this is the cardboard house would be able to withstand air better than the newspaper house because concrete, or we can say a pakka houses, are made much stronger than the shacks or kacha homes made by using temporary structure. If we consider here, cardboard is much thicker than a newspaper. That's why, and it is of course heavy as well than the newspaper. So it will be able to withstand the air blown or on it, whereas newspaper will blew away directly. Then shakes are not able to withstand the intense air, rain, and their extreme climatic conditions. Now, here we have a question. Discuss the presence of slanting roofs in some houses. So, in pictures or somewhere in your lifetime, you might have seen the houses with the slanting roof. So, if we see that your house and they have a slanting roof, but what would be the purpose of them? Have you ever imagined? Like if you live in a flat, you have a flat roof, but those who have bungalows, they have they probably have this type of slanting roofs. So these are basically made for the purpose of flowing down the things like water. If it is raining, so it will not store up here by any means. It will directly flow off on the ground. Then in when where the snowfall happens, the snow it will always flow down and does not store over there. And this is the main purpose why uh, slanting homes slanting roofs of homes are there. Next, why do houses have windows? Now, this is very genuine question. Like, why do we have windows in your house? So there are multiple things. Like, we have windows for viewing outside view and having some change from our regular home things, and we can just see our outside environment and just can enjoy neighborhood things. Then it basically allows light and air to get inside our home, so that we'll require less bulb light in your home or artificial lights in our homes. Then this while when the air flows in, we may also feel fresh at this times of at daytime. And yeah, that's all. So these this was the basic concept of Kuccha and Pucca things. You can also consider this Kuccha and Pucca things in your everyday uses. Like, you can have some temporary things which you are not going to use it permanently, but you want that for a temporary requirement. So that is also you can, but we will not call it as Kacha or Pakka, but the same concept applies over there as well. So thank you everyone for watching. If you have any questions, you can put down in the comments. I'll definitely try to answer them. Thank you.